Oh, you know that. I have two scores. I'm talo.
I lost.
Yes? Lorraine, you want to join us? Okay, come on. Don't mind her.
Don't find her.
Okay, let's go. Let's play. Rock, paper, pepper. Oh my God, I'm talo again. Again. Mother, father, brother, sister, one.
Wash your
What do
teeth.
you want, coffee, or bread? Oh, you know that. Coffee or bread?
Let me picture of
You know that, Eden?
Ano copy ko?
Coffee ko and ano.
Wala, malis.
All of the above I want. Lahat lang gusto ko. Diba? Mother, brother, sister. I want coffee, and bread.
Pakantayin niya yung mamay.
Oh, yung ano. Hindi. Heaven. Heaven na.
Heaven na.
Heaven na.
Heaven lupa.
Sige.
Heaven lupa.
Hell.
Heaven na.
Heaven and hell will be destroyed.
Okay. Let's play in Tagalog version. You know how to speak Tagalog? No? Come on, I'll teach you.
I'll teach you how to dog.
You know that song? Oh, you know Bruno Mars. Bruno Mars. Sabi nila, gusto niya maglaro ng rock, paper, scissors. Sabi ko, bato.
Sabi niya nga heaven, hell. Heaven and hell.
Heaven lupa.
Mother, father, brush your teeth. sabi niya, ay.
You know, Parintero?
Black. Partintero. Partintero. Ano?
Jackstone out.
Jackstone. Ano sa Tagalog ng Jackstone?
Boy bawang. You eat that corn meat?
Boy bawang.
Oh, she's eating corn meat. Come on, Eden, kiss Granny. No, Granny, kiss Granny. This way. Oh, yung galing ha. You're counting me ha. Oh, nice hit. I love that. Wow, look like Bumpy, right? Come on, let's play hide and seek.
Saan ba yung sisingin natin dito?
Dito, sa ilalim ng upuan.
Ang tanong kasi ba si Tita Play Stone?
Oh, I know that. I know that. This is Ray-Ban. Ray-Ban.
Ay, gusto niya sumali rito, nainggit. May nainggit na bata.
Gumawa ganun. Parang ano.
Gusto niya raw yung laro na ba, ano, pati mother, father, brother, sister.
Okay, I will sing na. Okay? If you want
Kaya,
ABC or... Ano daw? I know, I want Bahay Kubo. Bahay Kubo.
English.
Small house.
Small house of talong.
Do you know Dip Dip Vinegar?
Vinegar. Asaw, saw, saw.
Sausaw suka.
Suka, mahulit tayo.
Dip Dip Vinegar.
Dip, dip, dip.
Vinegar. Open. Side, side,
You know that? Come on, let's play outside. Come on. What do you want, honey?
Shut up.
You want bread and honey?
No, let's shut up.
No. She's enjoying with me. Right?
Right?
No, see? She's laughing.
Kasi hindi nga naintindihan siya sa amin.
Ano ba ba yung game natin sa village? What? Ano ba yung carpenter?
Carpenter.
You know soccer?
Siyempre,
Volleyball.
bakit di ka
Badminton. I have badminton in our house. You wanna go with huh? Let's play. And I have dogs. Big dogs. Labrador. You know Hachiko?
Achiko.
It looks like a Hachiko.
Kilala mo si Achiko?
And I have one small dog. Lots of hair. You have dogs? What do you have in Canada? Oh, fish. Cat.
Hindi sa kanila kapatid.
Bangus? Tilapia. Oh, fighting fish, the small one. Oh my god. The thing is like slug, like that. Hindi, matapang.
Strong.
Yeah.
Malakas ang
Strong ice, strong coffee like that. They're kind. They have angry birds. So they have
Alam mo,
iPad.
pinipilit niya intindihin si Sam. Sabi niya talaga.
Oo nga, naguguluhan eh. Nakatok mo.
Oh my god, you have 2 fighting fish and 2 budanding? Wait,
Ano ba po tanding sa bahay?
and then, yeah, they're fighting.
I know that. Dati walay ko sa rin namatay. Cannot join them. Ako siyempre, patay na wala. What color?
Red and blue.
Black and blue.
See?
Do you have mouse in your house?
Squirrel.
No! Sa tree, chipmunks. Kami, meron cockroach na daga.
You know, chipmunk? Alvin and the chipmunk. You know that? Eden, you know that? Oh, you're watching Alvin and the Chipmunks. How about Cinderella and the Seven Dwarfs?
Ano ba, Cinderella?
No,
White.
Cinderella and the Seven
Sabi niya,
Dwarfs.
sabi niya Cinderella and the Seven Dwarfs daw.
Hindi because of Sunbury.
Mommy,
Hindi, tsaka kanina pa siya matamlay. Hindi naman siya ganyan
Are you
naka-air.
sleepy? Not? What?
Not what?
Happy, come on, let's go to swimming pool. Let's swim. At the roof deck. We have swimming pool.
Yung kasalawa lang ay mga fish.
Oh, John Lloyd.
Hindi, tanong mo muna kung pwede ba. May allergy sa gano'n.
Ingat.
Tempura. Yeah, when I was in the province, I always drink Advil. My province is in San Diego, California.
California.
Joke, joke, joke! You want to drink medicine, honey? Minimum.
Kilala ata kayo.
Ano ba meron sa
Taga-assumption din ata siya eh.
No.
Ano ba meron sa siguro yung ano. Hindi naman niya kilala. Lagyan na natin yung kilala. Ano yan?
Maple leaf. You have maple leaf in your garden?
Ay, mako.
Yung mga games sa internet, sa Maycore.
Kaya?
Nakakainis yung meron sa akin.
Oh, Benten again. Broken arms. See, broken. I feel like a Benten.
Ano
speaks Tagalog already.
Batman. Oh,
Di ba?
Batman.
Batman.
Oh, doesn't work. Oh, why the money wasted? Did you throw it? You, what do you want? Barbie? Cabbage patch?
College ba?
Ano daw?
Cabbage shortcake? Stephanie Galion, cabbage patch kid.
Ano ba natin?
Nagaganda lang siya sa'yo.
Kasi kung yung classmate ko sa Calgary,
Baka nga siya. Siya ba kawig niya?
hindi ko na
Not school.
hindi ko kalagay ng ano.
Sabi nila, ayun yung masulit na classmate ko, si Stephanie.
Oy, di ako.
Si Cassie pala masulit.
Ay, naku! Ganun yung classmate.
Uriel. What grade are you?
Well,
Ariana.
Four.
Ariana. Grade 4? Oh, you grade? Oh, okay.
parang lahat, alam. Lahat is kilala.
Come on, let's go to Ocean Park, you know that? You want to go Ocean Park, Philippines, Manila? Manila, Jellyfish, Dikia in Tagalog. Dikia, jellyfish.
Saan? Ilalim. Sabi ko,
Where do you want to go? Same na rin. What time do you want to go?
Let's go.